What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
So space?
For Star Tours Flight 610, Star Speeder service to Kashyyyk. Flight 610 will now be departing from Gate 1.
We're going to space on that thing.
Announcement only. Thank you.
It's a spaceship.
What is it now?
Do you gotta go potty?
No.
You sure?
Is it technically people pressure? Fuel pressure. Well, why didn't you say so?
Hey. Are you ready to go to space?
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Tell me you're ready.
Yeah.
Every Star Speeder is equipped with the most reliable pilots.
Rigs.
And you got this Astronax.
Okay.
Convenient daily departure. Star Tours are not responsible for most tourists or luggage. Flights and instructions are one off flights. Subject to change your address.
It was like
Have a nice flight.
It was like
Perhaps we should run a systems check.
He's talking.
Anyone would want to race around the galaxy is quite beyond me.
Yeah.
But I'm certain you'll have a wonderful flight. I'm really quite lovely if you like that sort of thing.
my Achilles'
Landmarks near the capital city of Disneyland. You might even catch a glimpse of the recently
Hey, those robots. There's another one right there.
What I do if the bags stop coming? Why, I have no purpose in life. Oh, that's a scary thought. Let's clear it, shall we? Clear. Oh.
Wait, there's more over here. Robots.
Let it go. Yes, the robots are fast.
Another robot, look.
We have no information regarding your flight. I'm supposed to report any suspicious looking humanoids, but you all look suspicious to me. Okay. Yeah,
Said we look suspicious. Yeah.
How many here?
Two.
I have you on these two dots right here, okay?
Yeah. Right here. This dot and that dot. You gotta sit right there. Look on the TV. Hey, look on the TV up there. That's what we're gonna go on.
On the TV. Dad, why do we get to wear these glasses?
Yeah.
Why do we get to wear them?
Because it's a 3D ride. It'll make sense when we're on there.
That's why my systems I understand you and the astronaut. Don't you tell me to
Put your glasses back on like I have them back
what time you depart.
on.
Keep your job and I will mine.
Hey!
Excuse me.
Who are you?
C-3PO, systems analyst.
It's about
But
time.
Captain, I'm C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know you
C-3PO.
have this rebel spy on you.
I've never seen that human before. Yeah. Gotta go.
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I
What are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there. Right now. R2, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, R2! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission. Now what?
This is Cassian Andor with an urgent mission from the rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back.
Right now? But...
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you.
Wait! We're just tourists! R2, I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Virgo. Virgin are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. 2 against 1 here. Good use of
Oh, will it ever end?
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
SD-421, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly.
Yeah, no, we're landing. We're back.
You have enjoyed your flight and the maker.
That's why.
On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us. No more adventures, R2.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.